Governments have strategic reserves of lots of things. The
Sure.
US government has the gold depository at Fort Knox. Canada famously has a strategic maple syrup reserve. I think the US government still has a
Wait, that's not a
cheese reserve.
joke. I thought it was always as a joke. The strategic maple reserve is real.
I think it's real actually. The US government, I think we might still have a cheese reserve. I mean, the US government owns like two-thirds of the Western United States in terms of land. There's a lot of assets that governments hold strategic. We have our strategic oil reserve. In this instance, I think a strategic Bitcoin reserve makes sense for several reasons. One, with the debt and deficit in the shape that they're in, I think the United States hedging to have a supply capped commodity on its balance sheet, accumulating an appreciating asset rather than debt, I think would help strengthen the long term financial health of the country. It is finite, and our adversaries are starting to accumulate it. We believe, based on public reports, that China has about 200,000 Bitcoin. I saw a report that Russia had mined about 50,000 Bitcoin last year. So countries that maybe we're frenemies or adversaries with are accumulating this scarce asset. We think perhaps in part to weaken the strength of the US dollar and our ability to influence the world. So the US should lead. I mean, if it's going to be acquired by institutions and governments, the US should lead. It should lead. If we want to maintain our superpower status, I think we should try to be the Bitcoin superpower.